everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if it's the first time you are joining me. Here you are, welcome little darlings. So I've decided to do a nice blue look on my eyes today. If you'd like to see how I did this gorgeous look, then keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. So guys, to start off with, I've already done my the brows, and I've prepped the lids using my P. Louise Rima 0.5, and I've just placed my eye shields down. I've got these off Amazon. I will link them down below if I remember. But these are really good, you know, if you want that really crisp line. So today, as you would have seen in the intro, I really want to do something nice and bold, nice and blue. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Thank you so much for so much love on my videos just lately. It means the absolute world to me. And I will be doing my updated makeup routine. I think that will be up next week because quite a lot of people have commented on how they like my eyes and my base makeup in my literal everyday makeup. So I've had quite a few comments about that, so be sure that will be coming soon, guys. But in today's video, I really wanted to do something like really bold and blue. So the palette that we're going to be using is the Be Perfect Carnival palette. I want the other one, the new one that's just come out, but I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I need to really start using them. So yeah, this is the Carnival X Pro palette, and it's in collaboration with Stacey Marie, and I absolutely love this palette. So I'm going to be mainly playing around with the blues today, a little bit of the black, and see what kind of look we come up with. So first of all, I'm going to take Lights Out, which is the black, and I'm going to start focusing that on the outer corner. And just tap that on to the outer corner and a little bit of the way in, so you kind of can see what I'm doing. I'm really rubbish at explaining what I'm doing, and if you are new to my channel, hey, I'm Tara and I do makeup tutorials, but I'm not a makeup artist in any way, shape or form. I've just literally self-taught basically. I'll watch YouTube videos and try and create some looks myself. So if you do enjoy my content and you want to see more, then hit that subscribe button. Where I got the inspiration from this look was from Emma Fleming. I absolutely love her makeup tutorials. So yeah, I kind of got the idea from her watching one of her latest videos. I will link her channel down below, but I get quite a lot of inspiration from looks from her channel, and I'm off for the next couple of days, so I'm gonna be filming some videos and cleaning my brushes. So now we're gonna go into some of these gorgeous blues. So I think I'm gonna go into EYESHADOW, which is this lovely, beautiful, light baby blue. And I'm taking that on a Jessup crease brush, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease. I haven't played with blues in such a long time, and I actually love the colour blue as well. The colour blue, green. To be honest, I love all the colours of the rainbow. I'm then going to take a Spectrum A28 brush, and I'm going to go into this blue called Soft Spot. And I'm just going to go over that first blue that we've done. Taking that up to the brow bone. I'm now taking a Jessup's 227 Soft Definer, a clean one, and I'm going to go into this shade here, which is called Making Waves. And I'm just going to pop that on top of that blue. That Soft Spot shade. Focusing that more in the outer corner. I'm now going to cut the crease using the P. Louise again. For the shimmer, I'm going to use this shade, which is called Peppermint, and pop that just where I've cut the crease. For the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade, which is called Pink Me, and it has like little flecks of blue in that pink. So then going back into the black, which is that lights out shade, I'm just going to pop that in the outer corner, and then taking a big clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to go around the top just to take any harsh lines away. I'm then going to be using this from Beauty Bay. So this is the Living My Best Light glitter, and it's in the shade Moonstone, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner and then just along the brow bone. So I'm just going to clean up the eyes and I'll be right back. For mascara, I've heard loads about this mascara all over TikTok. I don't think it works as well as what they say on TikTok, to be honest. So of course I'm talking about the Maybelline Sky High mascara. It's an okay mascara, but it really doesn't make your lashes pop as much as they say it does. So I'm going to pop some lashes on, and the lashes I'm going to put on are from Amazon. I will link them down below. I've been liking just cutting up my lashes and having them as a half lash at the end. I kind of like that look, to be honest. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, because like I say, I have been finding that quite nice, to be honest, just having like half lashes. And oh my god, I was watching YouTube the other day, like I always do, and have you guys heard of the aqua lashes from Ardell that you just apply it with water? I saw Soph from Soph Does Nails. She's not Soph Does Nails no more, she's just Soph Does Life. But yeah, she did a video the other day, I will link that one down below, that she applied false lashes by just dipping them in some warm water and then just applying them. If you guys are interested in me doing a review on those, let me know down below, because I definitely want to try them, because if you don't have to use glue to put lashes on, then I'm down. While my lash glue is drying, we're going to go back into the Carnival palette and do something with the under eye. I'm not going to go too crazy with the under eye, I'm going to just apply a little bit of blue, I think. But nothing too crazy. So I need a liner brush. So I'm just going to use this angled brush and go into soft spot. And I'm going to literally just line that under my lower lash line. Just halfway. Then I'm going to go into Making Waves, which is that little bit of a darker blue. I'm then going to go into a darker blue, which is called Mood, and I'm just focusing that on the very outer corner. Yeah, that's made my eyes pop. So then now I'm going to pop the lashes on. See, I just love how that makes my eyes pop. It like pulls it all out together. I just love it. I'm then going to take my Essence black eyeliner and I'm going to tight line my waterline. So just going to pop a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Oh, I just love how a half lash can just literally lift your lashes. So cute. And then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Summer Highlight Palette, which is beautiful. And I'm going to use a fan brush Do I have a fan brush? Yes. So I'm going to use a fan brush and I'm going to go into Saint-Tropez and Malibu. So I'm just going to mix-a-rooney those two shades, give them a tap, tap, tap. And that's not got a mirror, how embarrassing. So then I'm just going to, oh, so beautiful. Down the nose, Castle Cupid's bow and the side of my face. Oh, it's so nice. I got that in TK Maxx before lockdown. I think it was just before Christmas, and I'm obsessed with it. I literally use it every single day. Such a beautiful palette. I can't remember how much I actually got for this, but it wasn't the price that it is on the Huda stand in Boots. I think it was something like 15 quid. I think so. Anyway. So now, all we've got to do now, beautifuls, is for the lips. So I'm thinking a nice nude. These three products. So I have my Profusion in the shade Imagine. Then I have my Huda Beauty Bullet Lipstick in Prom Night. And then I have my Revolution Gloss. And this is in Fairy Dust. So I'm just gonna line the lips. I'm so obsessed with this eye look. I love it. This is so creamy. Oh, that's just such a gorgeous lip combo. I'm obsessed. So guys, this is the final look and I'm literally obsessed. I mean, my hair, I need to get myself to a hairdresser because this is just not the one. But yeah, I absolutely love how this look has turned out. So if you like this look, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in next week's video, guys. Bye.